To sign into your new Microsoft account, come to the URL and log in, type login.microsoftonline.com. Click on use another account. Enter your new account. Choose work or school account. Enter your password. Here are all the apps that you can use in Microsoft. You have your email, Outlook, OneDrive, your Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, SharePoint, and Teams. Here is where you're going to be doing your meetings with your teacher. So click on Teams. And the Teams should open, where you will see your class name or group that the teacher has made, and you wait for the teacher to call you to access the meeting. Like this. So you will have a group. And here is where you'll be able to join your meeting, or you wait for the teacher to call you into the meeting.